We're going ice skating at the church.
No, don't.
I'm videoing. Go, go, go,
No,
go.
don't.
Hey, watch this. Watch this.
You won't be able to get back up. Can I try? No. Mom, can I try?
I don't care.
Hold my glasses!
Getting down's not the hard part. That was a fail. That was a fail. Wait, Nat, don't do it. You gotta get back up. Who didn't bring the rope?
Oh, okay, I will do it this time. Ready? No, Natalie, you won't be able to get back up. Just climb up like that, Andrew.
Give me your skates.
Where do I go? Do I go?
No, don't go.
I want to try. I'm going to go, guys. Oh, no.
Nat, stay up there while you can.
No, no. Okay.
Andy, your boots in the water. There's water.
I'm going down slowly.
Natalie, stop while you can. I have a plan. Come up on your butt, Andrew.
I can't stop.
Come up on your butt.
Stop. Okay, we'll see you in a couple of hours.
The last one I hit my face.
Go to the rocks over there.
Yeah, there's rocks over there. See the rocks?
Andrew, rock's all
Andrew.
the way over there.
There's rocks all the way over there. I know. This plan looks like a bad plan.